Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device model and exact error 292 context so you fix the right component. Once done, back up your configuration and export recent logs. That protects you if rollback is needed. Next, close background apps, disable VPN, and use a wired connection to avoid network interruptions. These actions reduce variables and let you test changes quickly. Make sure to keep a record of every step so you can retrace or report details if the issue persists. You now run the built-in diagnostics or reboot into safe mode to isolate the failing module causing error 292. Once you have log timestamps, compare entries to identify the specific service or file that fails repeatedly. Next, apply the official patch for that component or reinstall just the corrupted piece rather than the whole system. This saves time and preserves settings. While doing this, monitor resource usage to ensure no secondary process is interfering with the repair. Finish by restarting the device and verifying normal operation. Check logs to confirm error 292 no longer appears. Once stable, restore any settings you temporarily changed and run a final system health scan to catch lingering issues. If the problem persists, collect the logs, timestamped actions, and a clear list of steps you performed. Then escalate to vendor support. One key troubleshooting tip: if the error recurs intermittently, test on a clean profile or spare device to rule out user-specific or hard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.